Hi, my name is Kimi Saad. I'm 45 years old. Had a major problem of abnormal bleeding, and it went on and on and on, and I endured the pain for a long time. After some days, I consulted a family friend who happens to be a doctor, Dr. Sumedha Verma, and when she heard me out, she said the best person to go is Dr. Neena Singh Kumar.
Patient Kimi Saad, she was 45 years old and she produced a baby with me only 20 years ago with a cesarean section. She had an open appendix also done way back in 25 years late before that, and she had now come with a complaint of heavy bleeding. As a routine investigation, we normally get the ultrasound done and also get the blood profile done. In the ultrasound, we found that the patient had fibroid, which was very big, about 7-8 centimeters, which was stuck up not only in the uterus but also coming on the inner lining of the uterus. No wonder she had such a heavy bleeding.
The way she handled my questions, they were so informative and reassuring. So the process she explained me, why I need a laparoscopic hysterectomy to convince me that I need to take out my integral part, that is my uterus, and how the procedure would be handled. She answered each and every question, and she did not even one flinch her eyes and said, "Oh my God, you're getting too overbearing." After that, I got admitted.
And we admitted her. And then we did this whole procedure laparoscopically. Because of this huge fibroid, we had to go in first with a laparoscope. Laparoscope is a kind of a tube which goes inside the abdomen, in which we normally minimally invasively see the whole structures, not only the liver, the gallbladder, they were all normal. The uterus was having a big fibroid and which was sitting onto her ureters. So it gave us the advantage of looking under a magnified view, looking into the ureters, separating them safely, and thereafter removing this fibroid. After removal of the fibroid, it was only a possibility to remove her uterus along with both the tubes.
It's been over a week since my hysterectomy is done. It has been very reassuring the way I've been progressing. The way I have been told that I'll be progressing, it was very realistic. Most of the doctors I approached, obviously you take a second and third opinion. They tell you bounce back in second week or something. But Dr. Neena Singh Kumar said, no, you should be your prime importance. You have to rest it out. She gave me the progression so well, and it is going in the similar way. Even if I had to call her at 7 o'clock in the morning, or 10 o'clock in the night, she did not hesitate to pick up my calls. She very well attended my calls and answered all my queries. Today I came for a checkup, and again she has reassured me and she has given me a very good care, and she has answered all my queries to detail, even explained the operative part of it.
The patient miraculously recovered after that. She's happy and fine. She's about 11 grams now after 1 month of post-op period, and she is leading a normal life with her child.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.